Guys, remember that we have used linear regression and quadratic regression to graph with Excel, right? Where we have to add regression line. And so basically right now we can also use exponential models, okay? So we can use exponential regression. To model data that appear to lie along an exponential curve and produce a curve of best fit. So it all depends on how my points look like. Do they look like they're going to be on a straight line? Do they look like they're making a quadratic graph? Do they look like they're making an exponential graph? It all depends on that. I will pick my regression line. So let's read this question and let's see how we're going to graph this. So this gives us the year, and this gives us the BC population in millions. So using graphing technology to determine the exponential relation y equals a b to the power of x that best fit the data above, where x is the number of years since 1921, and y is the population of BC in millions. Okay, eyes on me for a second, please. Number one, this question is telling you that it's going to be exponential because it's asking you to write it as y, to find the equation y equals ab to the power of x. Okay, so it's telling you ahead of time that it's exponential. Number two, what would be my x values?
My years?
So what would I put in my table on Excel?
Each 10 years.
Read that, please. So where x is the number of years since 1921. So what would I do for 1921? Would I write 1921 or would I write something else?
1921 on 0.52.
The question is saying where x is the number of years since 1921.
So 1931.
What?
You start.
So this is gonna be 0. Because 1921 is year 0, is when you're starting. What would be 1922?
Oh.
Sorry, 1931.
One.
No.
The first example.
How many years is
10,
that
10.
from?
10 years, 10. Yeah, 10.
1941.
10.
Right? Because 1921 is year 0. 1931, that's 10 years after that. Okay? That's why you have to read the question.
That's the problem.
Since 1921. Okay? So when you go to Excel, you're going to have to make sure that you enter 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and not the other way, not 1921.
So should be writing like a 0, 0, 0, 10? 0, 10. 10, 20. 60. 17. .7